So basically we have this length here. So we know the distance here, JK. Well, first of all, let's just pretend, let's just kind of look at this in terms of numbers, because I think anytime we're doing geometry and we mix in variables and equations, a lot of times I get confused. So if we know K is the midpoint, right? So I think, K is the midpoint. Let's just pretend then, let's just use numbers. If JL was 10, then we'd know JK is 5 and KL is 5. But basically, so what that tells me is JK plus KL equals JL, right? If something's the midpoint, that means it's going to basically cut that, in half, right? So if JL is some distance, let's just say it's 10, and we know K is the midpoint, then K is going to divide in half. Now, our example, we don't have 10 and 5, but we actually have some expressions. So we can use this equation, though, or this understanding, this statement of JK plus KL has to equal JL. And again, that's what we want to figure out is what exactly is JL. So let's add those two together. What am I thinking? No, okay, yeah. Duh. So not only does JK plus KL equals JL, but also JK is equal to KL, right? If K is the midpoint, then these two lengths have to be exactly the same. So right now we have these two lengths, we have JK and KL, but we don't have them as like numbers like 5. That would be easy, right? And that'd be obvious. We have them as variable or as algebraic expressions. So let's go ahead and set them equal to each other to identify the value of x. So we can just get the x to one side. So let's get the x to like a 7x. So therefore we get 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. Add 5, so we get 2x. That's not an x. 2x is equal to 8. Divide by 2, x is equal to 4. So now we use this equality statement to identify the variable x. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this sum statement to figure out the JL. So again, we know that JK plus KL equals JL. So now, kind of using all my space here, but we can use 9x minus 5, that's JK, plus KL, which is 7x plus 3, so that's KL, is equal to what? Well, let's evaluate for, or that's equal to what, JL. Let's evaluate x. Let's replace x with actually its value, which is 4. So it'd be 9 times 4 minus 5 plus 7 times 4 plus 3. And what is that going to equal for JL? So 9 times 4 is 36 minus 5 plus 28 plus 3. And 36 minus 5 is going to be 31. 28 plus 3 is going to be 31 equals JL. And then 31 plus 31, guys, is 62. So JL is equal to 62. And I always try to leave myself more space so I don't do what I tell my students not to do and get some jumbled mess here.